Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Kumusta kayong lahat? Today, we're diving into the world of jewelry once again. I've got an exciting haul to share featuring some stunning gold pieces and sparkling diamonds that I picked up from my favorite trusted online stores. Honestly, I've been super busy lately and these beautiful items have piled up a bit. So, I can't wait to show you what I found. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Make sure you stick around and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss out on any of our future jewelry adventures. Let's get started and take a closer look at these amazing finds. Anyway guys, para doon sa mga nag-request for me to do a jewelry collection video, I'm sorry, I don't really know how to start because, you know, it's really very hard to do a collection video. Sometimes it depends on the quantity or number of jewelry you have in your collection. But I'm gonna do it before the end of this month, if not early next month. So, sorry again for the delay. This haul is a combination of 18 karat, 21 karat, yellow, white, gold, and some are with diamonds. By the way, the diamonds have this certificates. It's called Identification Diamond Report, and this will prove that all the items which have diamond here are legit, natural diamonds. So let's start with these small earrings right here. They're perfect for my upper lobe piercings. They're really cute, very white. The stones are white. This one is a round brilliant cut, 0.14 karat natural diamond in white gold setting. So, I'm gonna insert also a close-up video clips of this jewelry for you to see them clearly, alright? So cute and sparkly. Itong maliit na cute pair of earrings, ayan, very tiny. But the blue ones on top are called blue sapphire, and the white stones, tiny stones, are diamonds. So the description is round brilliant cut 0.08 karat natural diamond in yellow gold setting. Ayan. So perfect for my either second lobe piercing or first. Very nice. I really love this. It's really unique. We have here a diamond ring. It's also a dainty diamond ring in white gold, and the description is round brilliant cut 0.25 karat natural diamond in white gold setting. This one is perfect for layering. So you can see the stones are very sparkly and white, very clear, and I really love this as well. Ito siya sa malapitan. Ang ganda-ganda niya, diba? Super sparkly. So, I'm also going to insert the names of the stores where I bought all this jewelry from. Another ring is this white gold diamond ring. It's really pretty, very white and sparkly, brilliant. I really love this. It's also in 18 karat white gold. The description is round brilliant cut baguette cut 0.50 karat natural diamond in white gold setting. What can you say about this, guys? I think this is one of my favorite pieces in this batch of new purchases. And the other ring I've shown you a while ago. Let's stack them together. Ah, perfect. Since they're both dainty, when you stack them together, ayan, mukha siyang makapal, diba? So cute. So next is yung kapares nung ring na pinakita ko, which is this one, tong malaki. And dito siya, ang pair niya is earring. Also in white gold, round brilliant cut, baguette cut, 0.50 karat natural diamond. Ayan, so 18 karat. Kung makikita nyo, ayan, pareho sila. So ito yung pair niyang earring. They are sold separately. Kaya binili ko na rin to para may pares siya. Ayan, ang ganda-ganda niya. Suot natin. Ayan guys, ang cute niya. Very classy, very elegant. Yeah, simple lang siya. Ang susunod natin ay isa na namang singsing Ayan. Very elegant. 'Di ba? Simple. Pero, ang ganda. So, this one is a round brilliant cut 0.80 carat natural diamond in white gold setting. This one is size 8. Hindi ko alam. Minsan 7.5 ako, minsan 8. Minsan din 7. It depends on the ring siguro. So, lagyan natin siya dito. Ayan, kasya sa gitna. Siyempre, kasya din siya dito sa ring finger. 'Di ba? Let's see if it will fit here. Ayan, pwede din. 'Di ba? So, it's really, really nice. I also love this. Lahat naman gusto ko, 'di ba? They also sell pakaw, guys. So, ito yung lock ng earrings. Masyadong maliit. I think this one is small to medium size. They're in yellow gold. Man, super lightweight. Marami kasi akong mga earrings na nawala na yung pakaw. Hindi ko naman siya pwedeng hindi gamitin na lang, 'di ba? Sayang yung earrings. Kaya, yan. I bought an extra pakaw. Now, dito tayo sa 21 karat. I'm sure you will love this. This one is in 21 karat tricolor. Oh, this one is yellow, white, and then rose or pink gold. Cute lang, di ba? Oh, yan. Very sparkly. Dia cut. Yeah. Yung ibabaw niya, dia cut. Kaya sobrang kinang. And ang timbang nito is 5.22 grams only. Pero mabigat na din siya. Ang mahal ng gold ngayon, guys. So, bili tayo ng bili ng gold. Kasi ang gold is a very good investment. Ako yung buhay na patotoo. Kasi marami na akong nabentang mga hindi lang scrap, pati yung mga sawa na ako sa design. Minsan, nade-deform din, yung ganun. Gusto ko naman ng bago. So, nag-upgrade ako by selling these gold pieces. At kumita ako ng malaki. Times 2, times 3, ganun. Kasi ngayon, ang 18 karat gold is 5,150 up. Depende sa klase. So, online, mas mahal. Kaya lang, kung wala kayong time na pumunta sa mga stores, online kayo, but make sure na they are trusted, they are legit. At magbasa kayo ng mga reviews para hindi kayo ma-scam. So, once again, eto siya. Sa malapitan. Ayan. Beautiful. Next is a pair of VCA-inspired earrings made of 18 karat yellow gold, and the weight is 4.13 grams. So, medyo hindi masyadong magaan, but it's perfect for everyday wear. Ayan. I don't know why, pero gustong-gusto ko talaga ng dangling earrings. Very girly, di ba? Meron siya dito at of course dito, double. Another earrings, ayan, dangling na naman, oh, di ba? Heart, and it's also in 18 karat yellow gold, dia cut, very sparkly. I really love this. Perfect for everyday wear again. Kahit ano, pwedeng ipares dito if you have like heart pendants or heart rings. Ayan, cute lang talaga siya. Love it. By the way, this one is, ano masukat nito? I forgot the sukat. Siguro mga around mga 4 up grams din. Pretty. Now this one is a small pendant, solid 18 karat yellow gold. It's called medallion. Mother Mary and Baby Jesus. On the other side is Papa Jesus. Perfect for necklace layering. It's not really that heavy. Cute medallion pendant. This one is a pair of earrings in yellow gold, 18 karat. Can you hear that? They're really cute for everyday use. The design is like a Tiffany, yeah? You know what, guys? I've mentioned this before. I am really avoiding wearing heavy earrings because I have a problem with my lower ear piercing. They're getting bigger and bigger because of wearing heavy earrings. So these are lightweight only, cute for everyday. Now I have a necklace right here in 22 inches length, and this one weighs 15.98 grams, so mabigat siya. And the chain is called Barbada. It's really perfect for layering, or you can wear it alone. Ayoko na magtanggal kasi sirang aking mga kuko. Ayan, ganito na lang. Ayan. Parang kunyari, prinsesa. Reyna ng kawalan. So, back-to-back yung pendant niya. As you can see. Ang ganda. Diba? Oblong medallion. They call this cameo. Cameo pendant. So, medyo mahal kasi medyo mabigat siya. So, 15.98 grams. Gusto ko siyang gamitin pang layer. So, siya yung pinakamahabang necklace. Ang next is 20. And then 18. And then 16. Next is this earring na pair. Pair nito. Tinernohan ko siya. And this one is 7 grams. Both are in yellow gold 18 karat. Yan, it's called Power Ring. Parang Queen Elizabeth. Perfect. Diba? Pwede siya dito. Pwede rin siya dito. Of course, pwede rin dito. So, malapad yung ring. Yan. Very nice. Love it. Kuha tayong pang thumbnail. Next is a panther ring. Bongga. Really beautiful, elegant looking ring. May mga print siya na black, like a panther. And this one is 18 karat yellow gold, size 8 as well. Kaya kasya siya. Lahat. Dito, saka dito. Let's see. Yan, kasya. And then, dito, kasya din. Of course, this one's really elegant. Meron siyang green na mata. At dahil dyan, this one by the way is 7.3 grams. Yan, mabigat din. So, special na yung mga ganito kaya medyo mas mataas siya than the regular price. So this one is a jewelry case gifted to me by the seller. Nasuki na ako. Yan, ang cute naman ng lagayan. Perfect for travel. And I have 2 pieces of jewelry here. Unahin natin to. This is also a pair of earrings in yellow gold, 18 karat. It's panther na may kinagat. Yan, perfect for everyday wear as well. Pwede rin panglakad-lakad. Ayan. This one is 4.5 grams only. May green din yung mga mata niya. Cute, right? And I also have here a necklace, panther necklace. Love this one. So I'm saving the best for last. This one is in 16 inches but adjustable. Yan, up to 18, I guess. Kasi meron siyang extender. Pareho siya na tong ring. Ayan o. Panther siya na may black prints and green eyes. Yan, pare siya nito. Ganda lang, di ba? Ganda lang ng chain niya. Very classy and elegant. Okay, this is in 22.17 grams. So, mabigat siya. At medyo mahal. Yan. Salamat. Thank you so much. Natapos din. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed watching this jewelry haul video. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below. And I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Bye!